Preparing for a job interview is crucial for success. It sets the foundation for how you present yourself and your skills to potential employers. This is especially true in the competitive field of software testing, where the demand for skilled professionals is ever increasing. In this field, demonstrating your knowledge and skills is essential. Employers are looking for candidates who can not only understand but also apply testing principles effectively. A well-prepared candidate will be able to articulate their understanding of testing concepts, methodologies, and tools, showcasing their ability to handle real-world scenarios. This makes a positive impression on potential employers, increasing your chances of securing the job. This essay aims to provide a comprehensive guide to common interview questions for both manual and automation testing roles, helping you prepare thoroughly. We will focus on Selenium with Java, a popular combination in the industry to give you a competitive edge. By understanding these questions and practicing your responses, you can enhance your confidence and increase your chances of landing your dream testing job. Remember, preparation is key to success. Take the time to review the material, practice your answers, and familiarize yourself with common testing terminology. This will help you feel more prepared and less anxious during the interview. By investing effort in your preparation, you'll be well equipped to showcase your expertise and impress your interviewers. Your confidence will shine through. Let's dive into the world of software testing interview questions and set you on the path to success. With the right preparation, your dream job is within reach. Interviewers often start by assessing your understanding of basic testing principles. These principles form the foundation of effective software testing and are crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of software applications. Be prepared to answer questions like, what is software testing? This is a fundamental question that tests your basic knowledge and understanding of the field. Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to identify defects and ensure it meets the specified requirements. It is a critical step in the software development lifecycle. It involves various techniques to verify the software's functionality, performance, security, and other critical aspects. Each technique has its own set of tools and methodologies. What are the different levels of testing? This question aims to gauge your understanding of the structured approach to testing. Software testing is typically categorized into different levels, each with its own objectives and scope. These levels help in systematically identifying and fixing issues. The most common levels include unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Each level serves a specific purpose in the overall testing strategy. What is the difference between verification and validation? This is a key concept in software testing that ensures both the correctness and usefulness of the software. Verification ensures that the software is built correctly according to specifications, focusing on the internal processes and design, while validation confirms that the software meets the actual needs of the users. It ensures that the final product is what the user actually wants. What is black box testing? Black box testing focuses on testing the software's functionality without knowledge of its internal code or structure. This method is essential for simulating user behavior. Testers interact with the software as end users would, providing inputs and verifying outputs. This approach helps in identifying issues that real users might encounter. Manual testing remains a crucial aspect of software quality assurance. Despite the rise of automated testing, manual testing is indispensable for uncovering issues that automated tests might miss. Be prepared to discuss various manual testing techniques, each with its unique approach and benefits. What is exploratory testing? Exploratory testing is a less structured approach where testers actively explore the software, learning about its features and designing tests on the fly based on their observations. This method is particularly useful for identifying unexpected issues and gaining a deeper understanding of the software. Explain boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis is a test design technique that focuses on testing the software's behavior at the edges of input ranges, where errors are more likely to occur. By targeting these boundary values, testers can efficiently identify potential defects that might not be evident in the middle ranges. What is equivalence partitioning? Equivalence partitioning divides the input data into groups or classes that are expected to be treated similarly by the software. Testers select representative values from each class to reduce the number of test cases. This technique helps in optimizing the testing process by minimizing redundancy while ensuring comprehensive coverage. Describe decision table testing. Decision table testing is a technique used to test systems with complex business rules. It involves creating a table that maps conditions and their corresponding actions, ensuring all combinations are covered. This method is particularly effective in validating that the software behaves correctly under various scenarios and business rules. Understanding the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, and how testing fits into it is essential. What are the different phases of the SDLC? The SDLC typically includes phases like requirements gathering, design development, testing deployment, and maintenance. Each phase involves specific activities and deliverables. When does testing begin in the SDLC? Testing should ideally begin early in the SDLC, even during the requirements phase, to prevent defects from propagating to later stages. What is agile testing? Agile testing is an iterative and incremental approach to testing that aligns with agile development methodologies. Testers work closely with developers in short sprints, providing continuous feedback. Explain the role of testing in a DevOps environment. In DevOps, testing is integrated throughout the development and deployment pipeline, enabling continuous testing and faster delivery cycles. Automation plays a crucial role in DevOps testing. Section 5. Test artifacts and documentation. Documentation is vital in software testing. Be prepared to discuss various test artifacts. What is a test plan? A test plan is a document that outlines the overall testing strategy, objectives, scope, resources, and schedule for a testing project. What is a test case? A test case is a set of conditions or steps that are executed to verify a specific aspect of the software's functionality. What is a defect report? A defect report documents any deviations from expected behavior or defects found during testing. It typically includes details about the defect, steps to reproduce it, and its severity. Explain the importance of traceability in testing. Traceability ensures that all test artifacts, such as test cases and defect reports, are linked back to the original requirements, ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Section 6. Introduction to automation testing. Automation testing is becoming increasingly crucial. Be prepared to answer questions about its basics. What is automation testing? Automation testing involves using software tools to automate the execution of test cases, reducing manual effort, and improving testing efficiency. When should we automate a test? Not all tests are suitable for automation. Tests that are repetitive, time-consuming, or require a high degree of accuracy are good candidates for automation. What are the benefits of automation testing? Automation testing offers numerous benefits, including increased test coverage, faster execution times, reduced human error, and improved software quality. What are the challenges of automation testing? Challenges of automation testing include the initial investment in tools and infrastructure, the need for skilled automation engineers, and the maintenance of test scripts. Section 7. Selenium WebDriver Essentials. Selenium WebDriver is a popular tool for web application automation. Be prepared to demonstrate your knowledge. What is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is a collection of language-specific bindings that allows you to control web browsers programmatically, enabling web application automation. What are the different components of Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver consists of the WebDriver API, language bindings, browser drivers, and the browser itself. Explain the role of browser drivers in Selenium WebDriver. Browser drivers are executable files that act as intermediaries between the Selenium WebDriver API and the actual web browser, translating commands from Selenium to browser-specific actions. How do you handle dynamic elements in Selenium WebDriver? Dynamic elements can be handled using various techniques such as explicit waits, implicit waits, and web elements with dynamic locators. Section 8. Java concepts for automation. Java is a popular language for Selenium automation. Be prepared to answer Java-related questions. What are the different data types in Java? Java supports various data types, including primitive types like int, float, boolean, and reference types like string, arrays, and objects. Explain the concept of object-oriented programming, or OOP, in Java. OOP in Java involves organizing code into objects that encapsulate data and methods. Key OOP concepts include encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. What are exceptions in Java and how are they handled? Exceptions are runtime errors that can disrupt the normal flow of a program. Java provides exception handling mechanisms using try-catch blocks to gracefully handle these errors. What are collections in Java and what are the different types? Collections in Java are used to store and manipulate groups of objects. Common collection types include array list, linked list, hash set, and hash map.